How's it going, folks? I'm up here in Big Martha at the minute. Been a while since I've done a video. You like a new hat, by the way? You can get them in our shop. Well, the reason I'm actually up in Big Martha, let's make sure it's working, is I found this in the GodmodeX store. This was one of the original Xboxes from, if you remember, Rosa. And I brought her up here to Martha because we've got the Starlink going here. So I'm plugged in, ready to go. And I thought I'm gonna hook this thing up. Probably hasn't been on about, I don't know, 3-4 years. Let's see if she works. See if it still works and see how many updates I have. I'll give it a go. Moment of truth. Have it plugged in. Oh, it's working. Let's see if we can get a. Right, there we go. Happy days. I don't know. We need to find a controller for this. I will take this one. Don't tell Derek. I'll get her synced up here. Oh, what the heck is the sync button on it? Is that it? It must be it there. Happy days. Going good so far. Let's see, we'll sign in on that area account. Let me. Doesn't always look much different than the newer ones. We'll get her connected to the internet, will we? See what the crack is. So here we go. Settings. Network settings. See if I can find the Starlink. Wireless network. And I think that one's a Starlink. I'll just set the phone down here while I type in the password. That is if Derek hasn't changed it. He shouldn't have done. So we're going here now. Checking connection. Everything looks good. Show the wee speed test, see what we're getting. Oh no, it's just grabbed itself. It's connected to the internet. Oh crap. Yep, straight away needs an update. I had to kind of figure that was going to happen. Let's see, we have a 4.7 gig update. There's someone out in the yard playing with their two-tone horns. Don't hear this. But hey, 4.6 gig. That's going to take a wee minute or two. So I'll tell you what, when this is done, I'll come back and let's see what sort of update she has to do as well. But no, I actually reason got this console up here because we're doing Dallarada Festival in a few weeks, and I thought I don't know, I was just in the GodmodeX store and I thought, we'll give that a go. See what happens. But yeah, that's going to take a minute or two, so once it's done, I'll come back. Well, welcome back to part 2. It's a little bit wet out there now. And Derek joined us just because he doesn't want to stand outside. So finally the system update is done here. So let's see what happens. Your guy's going to hold that. Nah. Put that way a bit. There you go. The filming skills are almost as good as mine. I see this thing's going to crap itself now, updates. Oh, internet! What's the password?
I have no idea. Not my account, mate.
So you don't know what the password is? Oh, that's a good one. Let's try a different account. Let me sign in something else. Let's sign in as... Oh, it wasn't the password for that one, no?
Yeah.
Or that one, definitely that one. We'll go for that one. Right. Just so
I
I
don't
can't
think
see your
I
password.
don't think it brings up the characters.
No, then well, you can see the number. Go and type it in. Hope you haven't changed it. Let's give it a go. Moment of truth. Moment of truth. Yep. Big mark of 7. Don't even worry about any of that. Man, it's slow. No thanks. Hey, look at the dust on that screen.
Not my job, mate.
Right, let's see. Shall we do the updates? Oh dear. Updates. Let's have a look. So just so you know, we normally do updates on a weekly basis. That's not too bad. Only 7. Oh, fair enough. Do we have time to set these update?
I go for it.
I think so.
I think there'll be more than that in 2 years.
That's what it would have been. There must have been a lot. Oh, do you know what it is? It's only 500 gig hard drive.
Only got
So
25
it's only
games.
got 20
It's only got 25 games. This one has 160.
That's why there's a few updates. Very good. Well, there you go. We'll maybe do another one again next week. Because I got loads of consoles in the store. Catch you later.